Kieran's on a mission, upcycling everything he sees, turning trash into treasure with his creativity. Each project that he takes on tells a story so unique. Join him on his journey, it's a sight to see. Upcycling, recycling, a revolution in the making. It's Kierans Upcycling Journey, a show that's meant to inspire. Every old piece he transforms sets our hearts on fire. With a glue gun in his hand and paint all around, Kieran's bringing new life every sound. From old pallets to wine crates, nothing goes to waste. Kieran's upcycling magic, turning junk into grace. With a keen eye for design and a passion that shines, he's turning the ordinary into something divine. One man's trash is another man's treasure. It's Kieran's Upcycling Journey, a show that's meant to inspire. Every old piece he transforms sets our hearts on fire. With a glue gun in his hand and paint all around, Kieran's bringing new life with every sound. One man's trash is another man's treasure. It's Kieran's Upcycling Journey, a show that's meant to inspire. Every old piece he transforms sets our hearts on fire. With a glue gun in his hand and paint all around, Kieran's bringing new life with every sound.